Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Another day, another dollar. Hey, just giving you a really quick update when it comes to this whole Being As channel. Before the 5-day challenge starts, which is today at 6:30. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up. But I wanted to show you guys what's going on with the clicks and the campaigns that I'm running. If you have not followed the previous days, please go back, because I built campaigns from the beginning, from scratch. Show you how you can be profitable and get your first commissions. I've already proven by way of getting my first commission within the first few days of running my campaign. I showed you guys how to get a $219 check, and I also showed you how to cash that bad boy. So now, can I repeat it? Can I do it twice? That's the question, right? That's how you know when something really works. It's when you are able to repeat the process and continue to get good results. So that's what this is about. No hook or no introduction or nothing. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go into Clickbank, and I'm going to show you what's going on. Boom! No affiliate commissions. Womp womp. I kind of guessed this would happen. And there's a few reasons for that. But you don't need to be discouraged, because as we go into reporting, you see all my clicks happen over the course of like 2 to 3 days. If you look at the bottom here, it says within 14 days. I don't know exactly, with 429 clicks, how many of those clicks are actually from 2 to 3 days ago, something like that. But I ran a lot of clicks to the offer. And the thing to really look at here is all order form impressions. Actually, initial order form impressions, because that lets you know how many people hit the order form. And in this case, I did not get any sales, or else you'd see money there with initial earnings. You want to track 3 things, right? You want to track hop count, which we have 476 or 429. And then it says initial order forms, or hops per order form. It says 143. And then also initial order form impressions. So if we break this down, let's say that every person, instead of it just being an order form and they left, they actually purchased. Say we had 3 orders. That means technically every 143 hops would equal an order. But in this case, it's 143 hops equals an order form. We need to see how many order forms it takes to equal an order. I said that very slowly with a lot of pauses, hopefully so that you can follow along. Now, at the same time, you have to remember that whenever we go back into our Bing account, we have a whole bunch of words. We have not even began to optimize our words. Hold on one second. So we're going to go into our campaigns. Remember, I divided the one campaign into 2 on the last video. And the reason I did that is so I could divide the clicks from Bing platform clicks and syndicated partner clicks. And I'm just going to go into the partners. And if I go to the keywords, I have over 1,300 keywords. So I have not done any optimization whatsoever. I don't know what words have been consistently been clicked on, which ones have the most clicks, which it does matter, right? We got 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, and all this other stuff. You can see the clicks here in this column. But it has 52 total clicks over the course of 1 day. Up in the right hand corner, it says from Sunday to today. So the job, what you need to begin to do when you're spending money, even if you don't have any order forms or any orders, it's okay because you're seeing what is being clicked and what is not being clicked. So to take this another level, right? Eventually, you are going to get orders, and eventually we'll be able to track that with Clickmagic. So now let's go back to Clickmagic. I'm showing you guys this stuff because I don't want you to be discouraged when you don't get an order. And I had the feeling, I don't want to say last time was a fluke, but I will say for a product that's over $100 and to spend less than $100 and get a sale on the first try, it's not normal. It does happen more times than none, but I don't want that to be the expectation. Okay, this is where most people fall off and quit, when they put money into something and they don't get an order right away. So hold on one second. All right, so we're in Clickmagic. By the way, before I go into these details here, I contacted Clickmagic so that they could give me a special link so that you guys could get a 30-day free trial on the software instead of 14 days, because they typically do 14 days. They told me that I have to have 100 people who have signed up under me as referrals, because I am an affiliate. I need 100 people so I can start recommending that to other individuals. So please, it's helping me out because it does help pay me a little bit. But just, I guess, instead of giving me money or anything, because I got a lot of free courses, I'm doing a 5-day free challenge. Go ahead and sign up for that 14-day free trial. It helps me out a lot. And then I can help others out as well. So I can go ahead and I'm able to give people like a 30-day free trial to this software, because I would love to give it to you. But Clickmagic's being busters a little bit. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. I have it set to where whenever somebody jumps on the order form impressions, it should come here. I got the BioFit challenge. It should be an engagement. Okay, so we're able to click that, and then we are able to see the word, the keyword that is the keyword in Bing that the user is using to find our ad. Sorry, I'm getting my words mixed up there a little bit. All right, get out of here. So they typed in weight loss lose. Actually, no, that's the keyword that came up. They typed in Red Mountain weight loss scam. So weight loss lose is something else. That is the category that comes up whenever, that's one of my keywords that I found during like my research and stuff. And they typed in Red Mountain weight loss scam. So for whatever reason, they liked the product. I guess as I'm thinking about it, Red Mountain weight loss scam is a product. So they're looking for something already, which is why this works so well. And we can note that. So I need to probably use that as a keyword, Red Mountain weight loss scam, in order to promote my product. If one person's looking for it, then chances are somebody else is looking for it. Really quick, let's check out what Red Mountain is. I don't even know what this is. I'm glad I'm doing this. Red Mountain weight loss. I guess it's some type of medical weight loss. What food do you eat? I am not familiar with Red Mountain, but obviously I see an 800 number, which shows me that it's not a local thing. And do they have a YouTube channel?
There are many things that are not within our control, but
It's a professional video.
lifestyle and choosing to eat a healthy
Interesting.
diet certainly is. RM3 is our most popular program.
Okay, so this lets me know that whoever is looking for this product is not looking to work out. They're looking for something, a diet of some sort, or some type of quick fix, maybe. And they're interested in that when it comes to weight loss. They're not looking into lifting weights and muscle building or anything. So that's why this is huge, because now I can do research on Red Mountain weight loss and add that as keywords within Bing. I'm not going to do that right now, but in my previous videos, I said everything's going to be 10 minutes a day, so my 10 minutes is practically up. I just looked down. Sorry, I don't have my timer. I forgot about the 10 minutes. My 10 minutes is up. I'm at 10 minutes and 38 seconds of this recording. So that's the whole deal with this. Hopefully you guys was able to follow with the optimization, the keywords and all that stuff, and what we just did here. So the next step, probably on my extra time, I'm going to research it's a tongue twister for me, Red Mountain weight loss. And I'm going to see what that's about. And then I'm going to probably add some of those keywords in there. But eventually we need to dwindle down those 3,700 keywords to, like, I don't know, much smaller. And then we need to pull the buyer keywords and the order form keywords from out of it and create its own campaign group, okay? Its own ad group within its own campaign. So let me know if you guys are following along. Let me know if this is making sense. I'm not dropping thousands of dollars on a campaign just yet for you guys. It doesn't make any sense for me to do so. I can go ahead and do something like that, just drop $1,000 on a campaign to produce sales, but that's not what the average person does. And so what I'm good at is helping people go from beginner to intermediate and from intermediate to expert. I don't necessarily train the experts to become better experts. That's not my thing that I teach, okay? So if that sounds good to you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you can get notified every time I load a new video. And then also join my 5-day free challenge. It starts today. It's going to go on through Friday, where I teach you how to build campaigns and stuff. You'll be able to ask me questions and interact with me so that you can make your first commissions on Bing ads and Clickbank. Make your first $100, make your first $1,000. It's very possible, all right? The link for that will be down below under this video. It'll take you straight to it. And then as well, if you're interested in hitting that $3,500 per week mark with Clickbank, with the commissions and Bing ads and all types of other platforms if you so desire, I recommend a course that is under this video as well. My friend Yvonne Manna has created that, and so I highly recommend it because I follow everything that he does. I spoke with him and all that stuff and told him I'd be promoting his stuff, and he's excited about it. So that's it for me, guys. Check out all the other free stuff I got in the description, and we'll talk with y'all later.